Ping, ICMP. Ping is one of the most fundamental network tools available to us. Ping uses ICMP packets to determine the performance of a connection between devices, for example, if the connection exists or is reliable. ICMP stands for Internet Control Message Protocol. The time taken for ICMP packets traveling between devices is measuring in ping, such as in the screenshot below. We can see it there. This measuring is done using ICMP's echoes packets and then ICMP's echoes replies from the target device. Pings can be performed against devices on a network such as your home network or resources like websites. This tool can be easily used and comes installed on operating systems such as Linux and Windows. The syntax to do a simple ping is ping the IP address or the URL of a website. Let's see this in action at the screenshot below. You can see ping an IP address, the machine is up, and we see the response time. Here we are pinging a device that has the private address of the following. Ping informs us that we have sent 6 ICMP packets, all of which were received with an average time of 416 seconds. Now you are going to do the same thing to ping the address 8888 on deployable websites in this task. Pinging the correct address will reveal a flag to answer the following question below. Let's see. 10, 10, 10, 10. It doesn't work. Probably because it's this opened. All right. 8888. We see a flag C there. To be honest, let's just run this. All right, we see there. Perfect. The machine is up. Ping. Ping. It's count. Stop after sending count echo request packets with deadline option. Ping waits for count echo reply packets until the timeout expires. All right. Let's see here, ICMP. Here, ping 10, 10, 10, 10. And here, let's paste this. Boom. Awesome. Amazing. So, ping. We can use ping to identify if a target is on. If the target is up. And also, the ping measures the response of that target, the response time in milliseconds, and then also gives you an average. And by using the C flag, you can see that we can count, for instance, send as many pings as we want. You can use also a lot of oh my god, there are a lot. Printful user-to-user latency, a lot of useful features that ping has that you can use and play. All right, the dashboard, we can close that. All right, continue your learning.